This video guide will help you to get rid of the online scary alerts that are related to the site Bestsoftware.cloud. Bestsoftware.cloud. It's a fake alert, it's a misleading alert that tries to scare customers into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. At the first glance, it might look as if this pop-up tries to help people make their computer cleaner, but the point is that these pop-ups by Bestsoftware.cloud use a lot of misleading statements. They mention a lot of threats, supposedly to be the part of the computer, and then they try to encourage people into clicking on this Start Instant Cleanup button. In reality, when people mistakenly agree with that proposal, they may be forwarded to some other questionable sites that might collect some personal details about people, their phone number, their full name, and their email address. This information may be illegally used by third parties and granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So speaking about these pop-ups by Bestsoftware.cloud, do not interact with these fake alerts and do not click on this allow button. Now, if the allow button was mistakenly clicked, you may start getting the great portion of ads in the right part of your screen. To deactivate them, access the menu, go to Settings, the menu of your browser, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, go to Permissions, click on Notifications. So now you need to pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. After you mistakenly clicked on the allow button when dealing with this malicious site, bestsoftware.cloud, this site started to show its own junk ads. So you must remove it from the list, and you must remove all other malicious websites that are causing such troubles. So, also we recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start carefully researching the system to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.